The bodies of the Kuiper Belt out beyond Pluto are small and far away, but they have a lot to tell us. Namely, their orbits speak volumes, and a new study is hinting that there might be a gravitational mass lurking out in this distant region of our solar system. And some people are saying it's possibly a 10th planet, but that might be a bit premature. On the whole, our solar system is pretty neatly organized. All the planets orbit more or less in line with each other. They average out to be right along what's called the invariable plane. Things get chaotic even further from the Sun, like in the Oort cloud, which is 5,000 to 100,000 AU away. The Oort cloud isn't a disk, it's actually a cloud that envelops our solar system. Relatively closer to the Sun, in the Kuiper Belt, which is only about 30 to 55 AU from the Sun, bodies do orbit pretty regularly. They should look sort of like a flat sheet. Which brings us to the alleged Planet 10. Researchers from the University of Arizona noticed that over 600 of the more distant Kuiper Belt objects, or KBOs, have orbits inclined from the invariable plane by, on average, about 8 degrees. It's a subtle deviation, but also significant enough to suggest that something big must be warping those orbits. They're far enough from the Sun that another gravitational mass could be responsible. The researchers drew an analogy with a spinning top. If you look at a spinning top, it sort of models things in the solar system. Imagine the invariable plane cutting through the middle. The inner solar system is steady, like the top. If it wobbles, something is causing it to do so. The over 600 objects they looked at are wobbling pell-mell like a handful of spinning tops, all nudged differently. And the observational evidence says it's not a fluke or bad data. Something has affected them. According to the researchers' calculations, the irregular orbits could be explained by a gravitational mass around the size of Mars, orbiting about 60 AU from the Sun. It's definitely not the theorized Planet 9, by the way. That's way larger and about 10 times further away. We did a video about it. But like Planet 9, Planet 10 is still a theoretical body that may or may not exist, and we might not have seen it yet because we're not looking in the right place. Or it might not exist at all. It's possible a star whizzed by our solar system in recent history, astronomically speaking, and kicked those orbits around, then went on its merry way. As with all big things predicted in space, astronomers will need to do some follow-up observations to confirm Planet 10's existence, or non-existence. Special thanks to our sponsor, Domain.com. When you buy a domain name from Domain.com, you're taking the first steps in creating an identity and vision for your brand. No domain extension will help you tell your story like a .com or .net domain name. Get 15% off Domain.com's already affordable domain names and web hosting when you use the coupon code SEEKER at checkout. In the meantime, check out our video on Planet 9, and for something closer to home, here's a video proving we did in fact land on the moon. Let us know if you're excited about Planet 10 in the comments, like this video, and subscribe for more Seeker.